Hello, my dear students. We are enjoying the first chapter of General Science for the class 9th. Up to 10th class, it is called General Science, Common Science, Main Science, Core Subject. After 10th class, when we enter 11th and 12th, they starts specialization where we learn the three branches of General Science, Physics, Chemistry, and Biology separately for 100 marks. Okay, so till 10th class it is called as what? General science. And in the general science, the first chapter we have started, that is matter in our surroundings. In that already introductory part we learnt, and today we are learning how matter exists in nature. Okay, that is existence of matter. The entire universe is made up of two entities. One is matter and its energy. Okay, so we understood what conversion of matter and interconversion of energy. So total matter is conserved and total energy is conserved. This is the law of nature. Okay, so somewhere matter disappears and somewhere matter appears in different form, or if energy disappears, energy appears somewhere, but the total mass and the energy is conserved. It is called protection of mass and the energy, so that we keep moving in this universe, right? So with this, once again I welcome you all for today's session on states of matter under the chapter matter in our surroundings. State of a matter means what? It is a condition of a matter, phase of a matter, in what condition matter is there. Okay, so under the conditions of the nature, so in the nature we have temperature, in the nature we have the pressure and some other conditions. Okay, so under those conditions, how matter exists, how matter behaves, how matter is there. Okay, so in what condition, in what phase, that is called state of a matter. Okay, so when you see matter in our surroundings, a variety of matter is there. Okay, so if you see all those matter, they exist in some condition. Okay, because to study the matter, we have to classify matter. So matter is classified physically as well as chemically. So how it is done physically? Just by the outside appearance or by performing simple tests. Whereas if you want to classify matter chemically, so I told what we have to perform certain what activity or the experiments or the tests in the laboratory or in our home or in the industry, so that we can tell that matter behaves in this way. Otherwise, physically, by just doing simple techniques and by the outside appearance, we can classify matter into some three categories, or in what condition matter is there, and they are called what? States of matter. Okay, right. Now please see all these. Okay, all these what you see every day in your life, matter in our surroundings, matter in our surroundings. Okay, and matter in our surroundings, all these. Okay, so by seeing the outside appearance, we can aramse classify that these matter occur in the solid state, liquid state, and the gaseous state. Okay, so matter, anything that has mass and occupies a space, and that matter occurs in three kinds. Okay, solid kind of matter, liquid kind of matter, and the gaseous kind of matter. And these three kinds of matter is called what? Three states of matter. Okay, right. So just by the outside appearance, in how they differ, how solid differs from the liquid and the gas, or how gas differs from the solid and the liquid, that we learn in our later sessions. But today we are learning what? We are understanding three kinds of matter, or the three states of matter, or the three conditions of matter, or three phases of matter. Okay, right, into solid, liquid and the gas. The same chart I have given here. Okay, states of matter, solid state of matter, liquid state of matter, and the gaseous state of matter. Okay, so many examples are there. You take any examples of everyday life, so they have to belong to any one of these three states. Okay, carbon dioxide belongs to gaseous state, air belongs to gaseous state, water belongs to liquid state. Okay, stone belongs to solid state. Okay, paper belongs to solid state. Calcium chloride chemical belongs to solid state. Methane gas belongs to gaseous state. Ethyl, ethanol belongs to the liquid state. Ethyl alcohol. So you take any matter in this universe. So they have to that matter belongs to what? Any one of these three states. Okay, solid state, liquid state, and the gaseous state. Right? But after the progress in the field of science, we learnt, we understood, we discovered that there are two more states of matter. They are called as the two special states of matter. Okay, which under normal condition they don't exist. Only under extreme conditions. Okay, these two states exist. Otherwise, under normal conditions, we have only three states: solid state, liquid state, and the gaseous state. Whereas the two states of matter, where they are called the super special states of matter, only under extreme conditions. Okay, and those two states are what? One is what? Plasma states of matter. Okay, so in our universe, maximum is plasma state only. What is plasma state? Plasma state is what? Extreme high temperature condition of matter. For example, sun is very hot. Okay, so in the sun, matter is what? In the plasma state. Our entire universe is made up of many stars. Sun is the closest star. Okay, where sun is controlling the solar system, where life exists due to some favorable conditions. So we have many stars, many constellations, Milky Way, galaxy, all those we learnt in the physics. Okay, so 99% of all the matter in the universe is made up of plasma only. Okay, only 1% is other state. Otherwise, 99% of the universe is made up of what? Plasma state, where we find surface of stars, constellations, maximum that only. Okay, right. So plasma, what is plasma here? Plasma, according to biology, liquid part of the blood. Okay, whereas plasma, according to physics, it is what? Moldable part of the matter. Moldable part means what? For example, clay can be molded into any shape. So like that we can think time being now. Okay, so time being we think that a moldable part of what? Matter is plasma, because plasma state is very high temperature state, so where matter is in the moldable condition, it can take any shape. Okay, so that's why it is the name is used plasma. Okay, so plasma state is what? Plasma state is the maximum extremely high temperature condition of the matter. Okay, exist on the surface of stars. Okay, not on the planets. If there are some planets where there are very high temperatures there also plasma conditions are there. And in the everyday life, what? Bunsen burner, where the temperature is about 1800 degrees centigrade, there small portion will have a plasma state. Electric a bulb, where we have the due to the filament heat, radiations come out, so there we have small plasma state. So where high temperature is there we have the plasma state. But naturally we find a plasma state on the surface of stars. So one more special state of matter is what? It is the Bose-Einstein condensate, BEC. Okay, it is a cold. Okay, so it is a supercooled state of matter. This is first told by our Indian scientist Satyendranath Bose, SN Bose. Okay, and he wrote a letter to Albert Einstein, the most important or the popular scientist of that time. Now also he is very popular. Okay, so Einstein is regarded as the most clever or the most popular scientist of the world. The world has seen till now. Like that time Satyendranath Bose was having his idea, and he wrote a letter the paper to the Albert Einstein, and Albert Einstein admired Bose for his wonderful idea brought. So together they worked, and now we have the fifth state of matter, that is called Bose-Einstein condensate. That means under cold condition how matter behaves. Okay, so research work is going on in this field, and especially about the superconductivity, where our trains can move on the special tracks without any friction, very with high speed. This work is still under the research level. In future we have superconducting material All those we learn in the higher class, in the higher physics, in our future class. Okay. So that means there are two special states of matter. One is the plasma state, other one is Bose-Einstein condensate, where extreme hot extreme hot plasma and extreme cold Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay, in higher class. That means under normal condition we have the three states of matter. Under the two special conditions we have the two states of matter. Totally we have five states, three normal and two special. Okay, so in our next session we discuss the only normal, because we are living in the normal condition, we are not living in the abnormal or the extra special conditions. So we understand the three normal states of matter in our next session, separately solid state, separately liquid state, and separately gaseous state. Then we compare all the three, then we go ahead with the chapter. Okay, so till then, have a nice time and keep thinking. Thank you, my dear students.